electric cars, hydrogen cars, or gas at $5 a gallon. Mazda Skyactiv philosophy states that if 90% of cars today still use internal combustion engines, why don't we make what we have as efficient as possible?
The hydrogen is one of the solutions of carbon neutrality. I know the carbon neutrality is one of the solutions in EV. However, we have many other solutions. This is CO2 zero or vehicles and fun to drive and also sounds like the engines.
If it were not for Marizo and Toyota's holistic decarbonization approach, the internal combustion engine will simply go the way of the rotary engine. Emissions regulated out of existence except for plug-in hybrids that are required to drive 50 miles without using a drop of fossil fuel. Greetings, I am Tim Burchett, also known as Hydro. I am the founder of Hydroformance and the chairman of the Kinetic Energy Network. I'm on a mission to convert a 97 Toyota 4Runner to run on hydrogen. So far, with about $1,000 I've saved up, I have built an extended range alternative fuel vehicle, except that the alternative fuel is hydrogen. In its current state, I'm able to use the hydrogen when gasoline is not needed during idle and cruising. My mission is to be able to drive on hydrogen on the 30-mile I-240 loop. Raise $30,000 to mod this 97 4Runner in the image of the TRD Pro 4Runner. Given how Toyota designed the 5EZ FE, the 4Runner will need to be turbocharged in order to have as much power, if not more. So my goal is to raise $30,000, 300 horsepower turbocharged V6, and 30 miles per 1 kilogram of hydrogen. I plan to complete this project with your help in 2 months. But before you invest, here are some frequently asked questions about hydrogen. 1 kilogram of hydrogen is 1 gallon of gasoline, or about 240 lithium-ion batteries. On hydrogen, the Ford Focus increased its mileage by 50%, and the BMW Hydrogen 7 Mono has increased its mileage by 40% over the 760i. At complete burn, Ford-injected hydrogen will volumetrically consume 30% of the air-fuel mixture. This means a well-tuned port-injected hydrogen engine will lose 10% of its power compared to gasoline. Direct injection of hydrogen works around this problem, so this G16E GTS, or a half a JZ, makes 300 horsepower, 10% increase over the original GR Yaris gasoline engine, or the same as the GR Corolla available at your local Toyota dealer. Most hydrogen internal combustion engines reduce their compression ratio to 9.5 to 1 to minimize knock, which reduces power even further in a naturally aspirated engine such as the BMW Hydrogen 7 and the H2R. Intercooled forced induction will restore hydrogen power. The Aston Martin Rapide's twin turbocharged hydrogen V12 makes 438 horsepower on hydrogen, the same as the normal 760i. Given a 130 octane rating, hydrogen prefers high compression, naturally aspirated engines such as the hydrogen powered Chevy Cobra that is capable of 540 horsepower. The most powerful hydrogen internal combustion engine is a twin turbocharged 572 cubic inch V8 that made 780 horsepower that propelled Jesse James to 200 miles an hour. And so, after the 4Runner has replicated these accomplishments, the next step is to convert a Chevy Express to run on hydrogen. After that, Hydroformance would like to convert 5 MLGW natural gas vehicles to run on hydrogen. Because they are already on natural gas, the conversion cost is greatly reduced versus gasoline. So Hydroformance will be free to design a diesel-like engine to take advantage of hydrogen's 130 octane.
これだって水しか出ないんでしょ？
水蒸気ですね。
あ、水蒸気ね。
はいはい。ご利益ご利益。臭くない。
全然臭くない。
さあトヨタの門外不出の水素カローラ初です。部外者が乗るのが初。行ってみたいと思います。では水素カローラすごいね。ガソリンの代わりに水素だよ。やっぱ音重要だよね。普通にトルクもパワーもあるよこれ。いや立派立派これすげえ立派。いいじゃん水素。めっちゃいいじゃん水素。楽しい。すごいトヨタ。夢があるな。未来の子供たちにこの音を聞かせたい。車ってこういう音するんだぞ。楽しいもん。ほんと楽しいこれ。水素エンジンには未来があるぞ。
タイムは1分4秒516。
楽しいじゃんちょっと。いい感じ。すごいね。なんか水素ってパワーが出ないって聞いてたけど、これ普通にトルクもパワーもあるよ。すごいな技術って。本当にガソリンが水素になっただけ。普通にこう普通の車だよこれ。もうね、なんかやっぱ車ってこういう音しないとダメよね。なんか電気自動車ってさ便利かもしんないけどつまんない。